In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Google Play purchase history. Before we begin, it's important to understand one key limitation. You cannot permanently delete your Google Play purchase history in the normal way because Google keeps those records for legal, tax, and audit purposes. What you can do is reduce what you see by hiding uninstalled apps from your library, hiding spending details with a $0 budget, or if you want the most drastic option, permanently closing your Google Payments profile. Let's start with hiding uninstalled apps from your library. This method is useful if your goal is to clean up the list of apps you downloaded in the past but no longer have installed on your Android device. In other words, if you want to clear the not installed section, this is the option to focus on. Keep in mind that this doesn't erase your actual account history, but it does make your app library look much cleaner and easier to manage. The second option is to hide your spending history by setting a budget. If what bothers you is seeing previous purchase totals or spending activity inside Google Play, you can use the budget feature to hide that information from view. A simple trick is to set your budget to $0. When you do that, your previous spending history and budget data are no longer displayed in the same way, which can make the section feel cleared out even though the underlying transactions still exist on Google's side. This is more of a visibility fix than a true deletion, but for many people, that's enough. The third method is permanently closing your Google Payments profile. This is the only option mentioned here that removes all transaction history, payment methods, and purchase information linked to that payments profile. However, this is a very serious step and should only be used if you're completely sure. Once you close the profile, you will permanently lose the ability to make purchases on Google Play, use Google Pay, or redeem gift cards with that specific account. So, to summarize, if you just want to tidy up your app list, hide uninstalled apps. If you want to make spending details disappear from view, set a $0 budget. And if your goal is to wipe all linked payment data and you're prepared for the consequences, you can close your Google Payments profile. Choose the method that matches your goal and make sure you understand the difference between hiding information and permanently removing access before you proceed.